Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is episode number 12 of my Coursera Python for Everybody series, and we're in week 7 today, taking our last quiz. And the quiz is on chapter 5. Let's take a look. Okay, question 1. What is wrong with this Python loop? Well, since n is equal to 5, it's always going to be greater than 0, so this loop will run forever. Question 2. What does the break statement do? It exits the currently executing loop. Question 3. What does the continue statement do? It jumps to the top of the loop and starts the next iteration. Question 4. What does the following Python program print out? It prints out 5. Question 5. What is the iteration variable in the following Python code? Friend is the iteration variable. Question 6. What is a good description of the following bit of Python code? The answer is sum all the elements of a list. Question 7. What will the following code print out? -1. Question 8. What is a good statement to describe the is operator as used in the following if statement? Matches both type and value. Question 9. Which reserved word indicates the start of an indefinite loop in Python? While. And question 10, our last question. How many times will the body of the following loop be executed? Since n is equal to 0, n is never going to be greater than 0. So this will never execute, and the answer is 0. And that marks the end of my exam. Let's find out how I did. And I got full marks once again. Alright guys, it's time for you to take the test. You're gonna do great, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more problem solving videos like this one. And until next time, stay problem free guys.